To understand how chocolate is made, we begin deep within the rainforests of Central America, where a treasure was discovered. The ancient Mayans were the first to unlock the secrets of the cacao tree, a plant that would become central to their culture and economy. They cultivated these trees and revered their precious beans, which were considered more valuable than gold. The Mayans believed that chocolate had a divine origin, a gift bestowed upon them by the gods themselves. It was a gift from the gods used in various religious and spiritual ceremonies. Chocolate played a crucial role in Mayan rituals and ceremonies, symbolizing life, fertility, and renewal. It was also enjoyed as a special drink, often consumed during important events and gatherings. The Mayans developed a sophisticated understanding of cacao, mastering the art of its cultivation and processing. They carefully fermented and roasted the beans to enhance their flavor and aroma. They then ground them into a paste using traditional stone tools. This paste was mixed with water and spices to create a bitter, frothy beverage enjoyed by many. This drink was a symbol of luxury and power, often served in ornate vessels. It was reserved for the elite members of society, including royalty and high priests. The legacy of the Mayans lives on in the chocolate we enjoy today, a testament to their ingenuity and cultural richness. The cacao tree thrives in specific conditions. It prefers a hot and humid climate. It needs temperatures around 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity. These conditions are found in equatorial regions around the world. Countries like Ivory Coast and Ghana are major producers of cacao beans. Cacao trees are delicate and require careful attention. The pods containing the valuable beans are harvested by hand. This ensures that only ripe pods are selected. Inside the pods, the beans are coated in a sweet white pulp. The pulp plays a crucial role in the next stage, fermentation. Fermentation is essential in developing the chocolate flavor. This crucial step transforms the raw cacao beans into the foundation of what will become delicious chocolate. The beans and pulp are placed in heaps or boxes where they begin their transformation. They are left to ferment for several days, allowing natural processes to take place. During this process, natural yeasts and bacteria break down the sugars in the pulp, which is vital for flavor development. This creates heat and alters the chemical composition of the beans, enhancing their flavor profile. After fermentation, the beans are spread out to dry under the sun. The sun's heat removes excess moisture, which is crucial for the next steps. The beans turn a rich brown color, indicating they are ready for the next phase. They develop their characteristic chocolate aroma, a sign of their readiness. The dried beans are then ready for the next stage of their journey, roasting, which will further enhance their flavor. This process unlocks even more flavor, bringing us one step closer to the final chocolate product. Crafting chocolate delights. Roasting transforms the beans into a form we recognize, unlocking their rich flavors and deepening their natural color. They are carefully roasted at controlled temperatures, ensuring that each batch achieves the perfect balance of flavor and aroma. This meticulous process deepens the color and enhances the aroma, creating the foundation for exquisite chocolate. The heat also helps to loosen the outer shell of the bean, called the husk, making it easier to remove. The roasted beans are then cracked open to reveal the nibs, which are the heart of the cacao bean. These nibs are the essence of chocolate, packed with intense flavor and potential. They are ground down into a thick paste, a crucial step in the chocolate making process. This paste, known as chocolate liquor, is the foundation for all chocolate creations, from bars to truffles. From here it can be further processed into cocoa powder or transformed into our beloved chocolate bars, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers everywhere. A global industry. The chocolate industry is a testament to our enduring love for this treat. From humble beginnings in ancient Mesoamerica, it has evolved into a global phenomenon. Today, the chocolate industry generates billions of dollars in revenue worldwide. It provides livelihoods for millions of people. The journey from bean to bar is a fascinating one. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire for delicious indulgences. Please share comments about your favorite chocolate treats and experiences.